is almost everything is being processed, right? It's all for ease, it's all for efficiency, it's all for convenience. But is it really truly healthy? No. It's making it harder and harder for us to make these choices of how can I be less inflamed. Because if I'm more inflamed, guess what? I'm going to take some anti-inflammatories. I'm going to take some more anti-inflammatories. What's going to happen 10 to 15 years down the road? Why am I having GI issues? Why is my lining of my stomach not the same the way it used to be? That's that chronic inflammation that I'm talking about, right? There's two types of inflammation. The acute discomfort, pain, achy, soreness, rolling an ankle, it gets swollen, right? That we're 100%, we know, we see it, we can touch it, we can feel it. What can we not see, but sometimes feel, maybe not right away, is the painless, silent, literally killer, because chronic inflammation attacks tissues at a cellular level. These are things that we don't see on a daily basis, right? And these are things we need to be aware of because nobody's talking